Django's model save flow. I noticed that there's no guarantee that the database is updated synchronously after calling save on a model. I have done a simple test by making an ajax call to the following method. On the client side, I wait for a response from the above method and then execute final method that retrieves the list of products. The returned list of products contains the old value for the name of the updated product. However, if I delay the request for the list of products, then it contains the new value, just like it should. This means that returned response success if fired before the new values are written into the database. If the above is true, then is there a way to return the HTTP response only after the database is updated?
You should have mentioned App Engine more prominently. I've added it to the tags. This is very definitely because of your lack of understanding of GAY, rather than anything to do with Django. You should read the GAY documentation on eventual consistency in the data store, and structure your models and queries appropriately. Normal Django, running with a standard relational database, would not have this issue.
The view should not return anything prior to the save function ends its flow. As for the flow itself, the Django's docs declare it quite explicitly. When you save an object, Django performs the following steps. 1. Emit a pre-save signal. The signal django.db.models.signals.pre_save is sent, allowing any functions listening for that signal to take some customized action. 2. Pre-process the data. Each field on the object is asked to perform any automated data modification that the field may need to perform. Most fields do no pre-processing, the field data is kept as is. Pre-processing is only used on fields that have special behavior. For example, if your model has a date field with auto_now=true, the pre-save phase will alter the data in the object to ensure that the date field contains the current date stamp. Our documentation doesn't yet include a list of all the fields with this special behavior. 3. Prepare the data for the database. Each field is asked to provide its current value in a data type that can be written to the database. Most fields require no data preparation. Simple data types, such as integers and strings, are ready to write as a Python object. However, more complex data types often require some modification. For example, date fields use a Python datetime object to store data. Databases don't store datetime objects, so the field value must be converted into an ISO-compliant date string for insertion into the database. 4. Insert the data into the database. The pre-processed, prepared data is then composed into an SQL statement for insertion into the database. 5. Emit a post-save signal. The signal django.db.models.signals.post_save is sent, allowing any functions listening for that signal to take some customized action. Let me note that the behavior you're receiving is possible if you've applied at transaction.commit_on_success decorator to your view, though I don't see it in your code. More on transactions, this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.